Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be diving into an exciting JavaScript code snippet that creates a custom cursor with a trailing effect. The code aims to create a unique cursor experience on a web page. It utilizes JavaScript to dynamically generate HTML elements for the cursor and trailing dots. The cursor follows the user's mouse movements, creating a visually appealing trailing effect. Creates a div element for the cursor. Assigns a CSS class to style the cursor. Appends the cursor to the document body class. Defines a constructor function for the trailing dots. It defines a method to update the position of each dot. Updates the position of each dot based on the mouse movement. Ensures a smooth trailing effect by calculating the position of each dot in relation to the next dot. And function animate calls the draw function and requests the next animation frame, creating a continuous animation loop, initiating animation. And there you have it. This JavaScript code creates a captivating custom cursor with a trailing effect on your web page.